Welcome to HardReset.Info. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use motion detection with your ARLO Pro 5 security camera. To start out, you want to go into Device, and in here, on your camera right away, this here icon, the rightmost one that just started glowing yellow or orange, it will light up whenever the camera detects motion. Now if you want to configure how sensitive motion detection is, you want to go into Device Settings, then go into Default Mode Settings, and then change the motion detection sensitivity. You can go into Motion Detection Test, which you can use to test how sensitive your motion detection is. For example, let's increase it to 50. And after loading in, you'll see that when I move my finger in here, it's going to start glowing. If I do so a bit further away, it also detects it. But on one, for example, it's really not that sensitive, as I'm waving my hand a little bit out of the frame and it doesn't necessarily detect it all the time, as you can see. But on high, it will detect pretty much all the movement that happens, no matter how little it is. Just use it to test out how it works out for your specific needs. Also, you can use it to just see right here to either make your camera record until activity stops, and it starts recording when it detects motion or audio, as you can see right here, or make it record for a fixed length. And that's it. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.